Dude, it's hot out there, but it's chilly in here. Well, I got a quick tutorial that I want to show y'all about the interior lighting in this car. It is so cool, but let's get right to it. So let me get my camera real quick, and boom. Okay, so here we're at the display right now. So let's go to light and visibility. Let's go to interior lighting, and boom, interior lighting, dude. Look how cool that little display is right there. Okay, but anyways, we got so many things that we can select from. So let's check out the different types of light. We got contour, which is kind of like a whitish, grayish. Maritime, I think that's like blue or purple. Solar, oh my gosh, that's a beautiful orange. Impulse is red. Vision is, say that it's kind of like an orangish type of grayish. Caribbean, which actually, wow, it's like black. That's sick, dude. Okay. And then you can go to individual where basically you just kind of customize your own type of color. So I kind of want to pick solar because it's super bright, and we can kind of change the brightness on this, which at night will make this thing absolutely bright. That is so cool, dude. But right now, since it's daytime, it just turns off automatically. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tiny tutorial. It is so cool to be able to do these e-trons. They're awesome vehicles, but I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.